Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Red Hat Enterprise Linux Standard. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on download for Linux RPM package, or just click on download, then click on this .rpm. Wait a moment, download started and its size is about 329 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will execute this .rpm package. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now install this RPM package. Sudo rpm-ivh, then code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter, provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user, hit enter. If you receive this error, just see we are installing 1.134. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the VS Code. If you want to continue with GitHub or Google or Apple or GH, you can click. Okay. At this moment, I don't want, so click on continue without signing. Select that themes. Whatever you want, you can select. Then click on get started. So you got the VS Code. Okay. So we have successfully installed VS Code. This is the way to open, but we can also open the VS Code by going to terminal, just type code and hit enter. So you got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Ls, this file is not recorded anymore. I am removing it to clear the space. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on RHEL 10.2. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.